Hello guys, welcome back to Seven Sense Talent Solution. Seven Sense is a private company associated with more than 250 colleges along with more than 350 companies. We are helping our students to secure their dream job and their career, and that is the guarantee we provide through our services. Today we are going to look at TXC recruitment process for 2022 batch students. Before we get started, for the latest job opportunity, please subscribe our Telegram channel, which is given in the description, and also our YouTube channel. And if you like our YouTube videos, please press that like button and don't forget to share the video. Now let us see something about the company first. DXC Technology is an American multinational corporation that provides business to business IT services. It was formed with a collaboration with Hewlett Packard Enterprise Service along with Computer Science Corporation. DXC Technology is a IT service market leader delivering excellence for customers and colleagues. It is a Fortune 500 IT service leader and a part of Standard and Poor 500 Index. DXC uses the power of technology to deliver mission critical IT services across enterprise technology stack to drive business impact. uh, DXC is an employer of choice with strong values and foster a culture of inclusion, belonging, and corporate citizenship. Coming to the CEO information, Mike Salvano is the CEO of DXC Technology since September 2019, and the company is present in more than 70 countries with more than 138,000 employees across the globe. Okay, this is about the company. Now let us look about the eligibility criteria. Coming to the eligibility branches, BE BTech students in the circuit branches such as CSIT, ECE, EEE, and instrumentation can apply for this opportunity. Cutoff should be 60% and above throughout the academics, and there should be no active backlogs. Clear the backlogs. And coming to the education gap, more than 1 year is not allowed. And documents you need to submit for document verification is that marks card of 10th and 12th, certificate or degree of graduation and post graduation, our latest passport size photocopies, latest updated resume, original and xerox copy of photo identity proof, and the salary varies from 3 to 6 LPA. Moving on, now let us look over the skills desired in candidates. Operating systems, C, C++, Java, Python, .NET, DBMS, MySQL, the knowledge on all these programming languages along with DBMS, MySQL. You should be able to adapt, self-motivated, and demonstrate commitment. Good oral and written skills, are willing to work across a different location and working timelines, which include 24 bar 7 support, us to learn new emerging technologies. Okay, this is how some of the skills that the company is looking for in a candidate. Going to the next part, that is the rounds of selection. There are two types of selection. Okay, first in the first round, I will have an online test where the MCQ question will be given that is related to aptitude, logical, verbal, computer programming, automata fix, Britex Pro, that is essay rating. There will be a 62 question along with one that is the essay writing. There will be six section that is aptitude, logical, verbal, computer programming, and time limit will be around 100 minutes. There will be no negative marking and it will be online mode. Coming to the next one, that is the communication round where the GD will be conducted for you guys, that is group discussion. Candidates are asked to discuss on the topic which is given to them on the spot. Students with good communication skills, good etiquettes, and overall good personality will be get shortlisted. And coming to the next round, that is the technical interview round. Programming languages like Java, C++, etc., and other technical skills you have mentioned in your resume, and it also depends on the role you applied for. Okay, it will be a tough round. So make uh, sure that you are well prepared for this round. Coming to the last and final round, that is the HR interview. Interviewer checks your confidence, your leadership qualities, teamwork qualities, etc., and your communications also, and other personal details will be asked in this round. It will be a easy round. Coming to the next type, that is the rounds of selection type 2, where your instead of GD, you will be having a coding round where questions will be on Fibonacci series, even or pattern questions for loop or a while loop. Okay, 2 to 3 uh, programming questions will be provided for you to ace the round. Along with that, you will have online test in the first round, and the third round coming to the technical interview, questions on your programming languages that you have mentioned in your resume, and HR interview where Questions will be on your personal details, communication skill, and grammar will be checked. Okay. Other than that, everything is same. Uh, Instead of communication round, which I told you before in the type one, that is the GD, coding round will be given for you. Okay. Moving on. Now let us look about the syllabus for quant, LCM and HCM, divisibility questions, profit and loss questions, questions on time, speed and distance, averages, compound interest, okay, probability, time and work, geometry and coordinate geometry, algebra will be also given, uh, problems on trains, clocks and calendar, and permutation and combination, problem on ages. Okay, these are the syllabus for quant in the written test. Moving on, now let us look about the syllabus for verbal. Questions will be on preposition and conjunction, synonyms, speech and tenses, reading comprehension, articles, error identification, sentence selection, sentence correction, antonyms, selecting words, comprehension ordering, subject verb agreement, contextual vocabulary. Okay, there were your syllabus for verbal and the online test. Coming to the syllabus of logical thinking, questions will be on coding, decoding logic, directional sense, logical word sequence, arrangements, statement and conclusion, questions on seating arrangements, objective reasoning, blood relation, okay, coding pattern and number of series pattern recognition, and data sufficiency, mathematical orders. Okay, these are some of the syllabus you may get for logical reasoning and online test. Now let us see syllabus for the computer programming logics. Uh, Questions will be on C, C++, Java concepts, computer fundamentals. May ask you about the computer fundamentals, operating systems, and data structure, DBMS. Okay, questions will be on this for the computer programming logics in the first round. Moving on, now let us look some of the sample questions for automata fixa, which is given in the first round in the online test. Like the questions like arranging the data of an array in some specific order. You will be given questions like finding the second largest or smallest element of array, comparing two given strings, finding some specific element in the given data. There will be a data will be given for you guys, and some questions will be also given, like fixing the core for some popular searching or sorting like linear search, binary search, radix sort, etc. Okay, these are some of the sample questions you may expect in automata fixa category. We're now moving on for sample technical questions you may get in a technical round, that is the third round. Like how do you manage source code? What does SQL mean and how does it work? What is the difference between JDK, JRE, and JVM? When is the most appropriate time to use a SIN? Define namespace in C++. What is the difference between new and malloc? What is a class template? What is RDMS? What is DML? Okay, this is just for your reference, guys. Just the sample technical questions that you may expect in the technical round. That is the third round in the interview process. Okay, moving on, and we have a link given in the description. So make sure that you check on that where you can get actual questions with solutions. Okay, that was it, guys. If you have any questions, please comment down in the comment section. And one more thing I would like to say that is that there's a different packages worth of different price range, which is given in the description, where you can have company specific test training, a minimum of 50 placement opportunity. Please check out our website. The link will be given in the description. Thank you, guys. Signing off.